In today's video, I'm going to show you Polishey Nail Pen Set review, scam or salon quality at home. The Polishey Nail Pen Set is a real water-based nail polish pen system that aims to let you achieve salon-style nails at home without brushes. Strong smells or UV curing, the brand says the precision pen tip and quick dry formula mean you can get neat nails in minutes. Based on hundreds of actual user reviews in here in Trustpilot, many buyers find the concept easy and fun to use. People praise the vibrant colors, fast drying time, minimal mess, and how the pens can feel more controllable than traditional nail polish bottles. Several reviews say the finish can look professional and that it's great for quick touch-ups or DIY manicures without salon costs. That said, the experience is not uniformly positive. A significant portion of reviewers reports quality issues. The polish can be thin, streaky, or patchy, requiring multiple coats, and it often chips quickly once applied. Some say nails look beautiful initially but start peeling within a day, and a few even describe the finish as worse than ordinary polish. Customer service experiences also vary. While some praise responsive support and quick delivery, others have frustration with delayed orders, non-delivery, or poor communication, leading to complaints about refunds or missing items. There's no strong evidence that Polishey is a scam. The products do arrive and are real, but the hype in ads, perfect, salon, finish in minutes, doesn't always match the mixed real-world results many users report. If you enjoy DIY nails and want an easy-to-use polish alternative, Polishey might be worth trying, but expectations should be tempered. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.